Hello everyone. Today we will be doing 10 important MCQs of class 10th. So the first question is the value of 2 cos 67 degree divided by sin 23 degree minus tan 40 degree upon cot 50 degree minus cos 0 degree. So you can write cos 67 as cos 90 minus 23. 90 degree minus 23 degree upon sin 23 degree minus, again you can write like this, tan 90 minus 50. 90 degree minus 50 degree upon cot 50 degree minus cos 0 is always 1 from the table. Now as you know, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta and tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So you can write sin 23 degree upon sin 23 degree minus tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So you can write cot 50 degree upon cot 50 degree minus 1. Cancel this and this. So you will be having 2 minus 1 minus 1. So it is 2 minus 2 is 0. So the correct answer is C. Now the second question is the value of sin 35 degree upon cos 55 degree whole square plus cos 43 degree upon sin 47 degree whole square minus 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 from the table. So sin 35 you can write like this, sin 90 minus 55, okay, upon cos 55 degree whole square plus you can write like this, cos 90 minus 47 degree. So it is sin 47 degree minus 2, cancel this, so it will be 1. Now as you know, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, and for this cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So you can write cos 55 degree upon cos 55 degree plus it will be sin 47 degree upon sin 47 degree minus 1. So cancel this. So it will be 1 plus 1 minus 1. So it is 2 minus 1 is 1. So the correct answer is A. The value of sin square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now from the second identity, you know 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So you can write sin square theta plus 1 upon sec square theta. Okay, now here as you know sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, and you have learned the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So the value is 1. So the correct answer is D. Now the fourth question is the value of sin 32 degree cos 58 degree plus cos 32 degree sin 58 degree. Now you know the formula, sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, by this formula you can write sin 32 plus 58, 32 degree plus 58 degree. So it will be sin 90 degree and sin 90 is always 1. So the correct answer is C. Now the fifth question is the value of tan 35 degree upon cot 55 degree plus cot 78 degree upon tan 12 degree. Now you can write like this: tan 90 minus 55, okay, upon cot 55 degree plus cot, you can write like this: 90 minus 12, okay, upon it is tan 12 degree. Now you know this identity, that is tan 90 minus theta is always cot theta, and you know cot 90 minus theta is always tan theta. So by that you can write it as cot 55 degree upon cot 55 degree plus, so it is tan 12 degree upon tan 12 degree, cancel it, so it is 1 plus 1 equivalent 2. So the correct answer is B. Now if tan theta equals root 3, now you want to find out sec theta. Now as you know, tan theta is given root 3, or you can write it as root 3 upon 1, that is perpendicular upon base. In the right triangle, this is theta, so perpendicular is for theta, this one is root 3 and this one is base is 1. So by Pythagoras theorem you can calculate this hypotenuse, that is under root 3 square plus 1 square, that is 3 plus 1 equivalent under root 4 is 2. So now you have to find out sec theta, that is sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, so reverse of cos theta, that is hypotenuse upon base. So here hypotenuse is 2 and base is 1. So the correct answer is A. Now the seventh question is, if tan theta plus cot theta equals 5. Now we want to find out tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now here square is there, so on squaring both the sides, so you will be getting tan theta plus cot theta whole square equals 5 square. Okay, so it will be tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta equals to 25. Okay, now here tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now you know cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, so you can cancel this, plus 2 is 25, or tan square theta plus cot square theta equals 25 minus 2, that is 23. So the correct answer is D. Now the eighth question is, if cos A plus cos square A is 1. Now we want to find out sin square A plus sin to the power 4A. So you can write like this: cos A is 1 minus cos square A. Now by the first identity, what is the first identity? That is sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So by that identity you can write cos A is sin square A. Okay. Now take the equation sin square A plus sin to the power 4A. Okay. Now here sin square is cos A. So write cos A plus, this is sin to the power 4A, means sin square A whole square, that means cos square A. So cos A plus cos square A, it is given to be 1. So the correct answer is C. Now, ninth question is, if root 3 tan theta is 3 sin theta, then sin square theta minus cos square theta we want to find out. Okay. Now here you can write root 3 tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta equals 3 sin theta. Cancel this. So it will be, you can write cos theta, take it over here. So it is root 3 upon 3 or multiply, that is cos theta is root 3 upon 3, or you can write it as, that is 1 upon root 3. Okay. Now after this, as you know, you want to find out sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now cos theta is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 square is 1 upon 3. And sin square theta, that is sin theta is, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. That is 1 minus cos square theta is 1 by 3. Okay. So it will be 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3. So the correct answer is A. Now the last question is, find A if tan 2A equals cot A minus 24 degree. Now you can write it like this. Tan 2A is, that is tan 90 minus A minus 24. Okay. As you know, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay. Now here, now you can equate, you can write like this. 2A is 90 minus A plus 24. So you can write like this. 2A plus A is 3A. And it will be 114. So A is 114 upon 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 38 degree. So the correct answer is B. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the newly updates.